Hi! In front of me is TCL 403 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to Access Apps section. Then you need to click on View All and click on one of your apps that you wish to manage, like Booking. Then select App Notifications section and tap on this blue switcher next to All Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!